Is your work life changing? Today, change is almost as certain as death and taxes. Technology and globalization have created a culture of constant change in our work life. I know through my career, I worked for 14 different organizations and have served more than 3,000 clients. They say that the only person who likes change is a baby with a wet diaper. I get it. I understand. You see, we all have a natural desire to keeping the status quo. Change can bring elements of uncertainty, anxiety, and fear. In times of change, it's good to remember that God did not give us the spirit of fear, but of love, power, and a sound mind. With the spirit of sound mind, change can open new horizons and opportunities for growth and development. You see, my friend, change is not an event that happens. Change is a process that starts with an idea, a proactive idea for healthy change. But then that grows into a desire for change. And the desire for change is when your mind engages with your heart to paint a picture of your desired state. But then comes the willingness to change. And the willingness to change addresses the fact that change always has a price. Good or bad, change always has a price. But then comes the ability to change. And the ability to change are the external factors. They may hinder your willingness to change. And in times like this, just make peace with reality. You see, once you have those 4 steps put together, then you can put a plan and make healthy change happen. So we invite you to join us in a workshop designed to help you find your sweet spot in a changing world. We will share with you a strength-based thinking and planning framework that will help you make healthy change happen in your changing world. This framework starts by understanding your strengths, but building on them is your motivations. What energizes you? Your motivations are focused on meeting the needs of other people. And this gives you the passion that is needed to play roles that are based on your strength and based on leveraging the strength of other people. You see, your roles are your calling and they define the sweet spot. Define your sweet spot. In this workshop, we'll also share with you a project management approach to collecting the right tools and putting the right plans to making healthy change happen. In this workshop, we also will introduce you to a totally free workshop that will help you know, discover, understand, and articulate your God-given strength so you can fulfill your life calling. Contact us for more information. We'd love for you to join us.